Hi, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to buy a Wix Premium plan. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. First to start, what you can do is go to your sites here or open your account on Wix, and here you'll be able to see all the websites that you've created on this platform. And in order for you to be able to upgrade to a new plan or a premium plan, what you can do is click on upgrade now here, or you can click on a website that you're creating. And then here you will have the option to click on upgrade on this part on the top most part of the website. That's a pink or purple button rather, and it will provide you all the plans that you can take advantage. So there's a Connect Basic, the Combo, or Connect Domain rather, the Unlimited and the VIP. So this actually are the plans that you can use if you are not planning to use your website as for business or e-commerce plans. So this is actually just for you to showcase your blog or your website or your landing page. But if you plan on creating your own e-commerce website, what you can do is use this business and e-commerce plan where it has a business basic, business unlimited, and a lot more. But if you're just using this for your own professional use purposes, you can use these plans, which is much cheaper comparing to the business plans that are currently being offered. And that's basically it. You just click on select, and here you will be able to pay the subscription monthly using Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and there is also a money back guarantee where if you are not satisfied with the platform for 14 days, you will be able to get your money back for 100%. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to buy a Wix Premium plan. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.